Are you taking a first QA session or should I share my screen? Okay, let me start my instance. Ram, am I visible?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible.
Okay, is this perfect now?
Yeah, it's perfect. So you are using putty.
Yes. I don't know why it is not supporting.
No supported authentication methods available. Servers of publicly.
I think something is missing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. To check again once.
Okay, inline the table with the command so that I can try to work. Or should I do it myself?
Mm-hmm. So everyone can share the commands, which commands we have to start the first command. You can share the command in chat box also.
First, let's do hyphen,
Hmm.
but I can become a root user.
Okay. Stick joining.
Ram, just a minute.
Yeah, yeah, just a second.
Yeah. Actually, I already did the file with this server. So I don't know if it will take my command or not. Just let's initialize. I have to install with my machine. So yum update hyphen y. Y is for S.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
It's plugins. Yeah, complete. Then I will install Git in my machine. Yum install hyphen y. Install one. This. Okay, actually already installed in my machine, so it
Mm-hmm.
should. So I will just take the path which is the user
This is
underneath.
the path, right?
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. Then I have to check if I want to check my version. So I just
Mm.
put git hyphen version, right?
Okay. After
Double
that, you
column.
that's Git version.
Now, after installing Git, I have to configure myself, right? Like
Mm.
I'm a user or not. So a
Okay.
global. So I have to run a global command first of all. So git config.
Mm.
Global. It's a dot name. Let's say then I have to install
Mm.
mail. If I want to see what the credential I put here, there is a command. Here is there is a command called git config list to show. Yeah, I don't know why this is putting double hyphen. Basically, my user is Ram and his mail ID is ram@gmail.com.
Okay.
So I will create one directory.
Mm.
Let me see if there is. Yeah, I already let it be. Just make new directory and mkdir name. What should I take? Okay, it one. So I create one directory. Now I want to enter in the directory. So I put cd file name directory name git one. I will now enter in the git one.
Okay.
So there is in Git there is a three part as we know. Right now we are in a staging area, right?
Right.
Yeah. So we have to initiate this command git init. And means of this command, we turn our directory into local repo. So it's showing me this yellow screen, popular saying
Mm-hmm.
I did not config that, right, or commit that or add the my repo. So what should I do? Let me clear this. I will do simple. Write something on my directory. It's at it. Will write code and to exit from this command, I have to just put Control D. So I will came out of that command. Now I want to see what I write on my git one. So cat git one. It will show me code I have written over there.
Okay.
Uh, then okay.
Anyone suggest?
Okay. Yeah, I will do. Now we have to go to check our git status. So there is a command called git status. Will show our branch one command is there, which means which one is not committed, because we are showing this command in the RAID, right? It
Right.
means that that command code is not committed. We have to commit them. So for that, we have a command called git add space dot. If you add that command, right, then I can check again the same command. Its status,
Okay.
it will show its red color now turn into green one. So it will be committed.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Again, if I want to check which and who and how many commits were there, so there is a command called git log. It will
Okay.
show. Let me clear this screen. Yeah. If you want, I want to show that command and commit from the commit ID, content of that command. So there is a command called as git show, and we have to pull that commit ID. So this I'm going for any commit ID over here, right? If I have any commit ID, then I have to put this commit ID over here, and it will show. So it was, yeah,
but it's not committed yet.
yeah, it was not completed. That's why.
Okay.
Anyone can help me out?
I think you didn't run commit command.
Yeah, I can commit.
Git commit -m and message.
And for message. And the one inverted command will be message something.
Just commit. Now again I check the status.
Okay. So nothing to commit working tree clean. Can you
Now
make
you run git log. It will show commit ID.
Git log. Okay. Sure. This is the commit, right? The author was Ram and did it on this, and the message was this. So I want to show that content of my commit, right? So show on this commit ID.
You can take 7 digit on
Yeah, 7 digit only, no?
only 7 digit.
Yeah, most of them that not sure. I can check one more time. Okay, so yeah, it commit, then it will shows nothing to commit, right? Working tree clean showing over there. And if you want to send this code to our central repository, because we are right now we are working on a local repo, right?
right?
So basically, we have to send that code to the center repository, so that other colleagues they can see that code. So we have to create one repo in GitHub. Yeah. So if we have to create new repo or GitHub, we have to just click on new. It will show repository name as Ram. I will make it public. I will just put it add readme file, okay, and I will create this repository.
Okay.
Now the repository is created. And if you want to show this SSH link, or I just have this link copied over here. Okay, yeah. Come back to Putty, and now I want to push my code from local repo to the central repo. So I just make this command git push -u the origin, right? Origin. For that, I have to push this command. First, I have to add the origin actually. So the command is git remote add origin, and I have to simply paste my repository link. It will add. So I will check now on my repo. Where is it? I have to put it. So now the local repo has been connected to the central repo. Now I have to push my command. So sorry, push my code. So for that the command is git push -u the origin.
Mention in the origin master.
Yes, master. Right. So I have to put my username over here. Yes. And it will ask me a password. I have to go to GitHub. Add token from settings, from developer setting to go, then personal access token. Yeah, Chandra token. Right, show this again. To generate the token, I have to click this all checkbox.
Any specific reason to pass token instead of password?
I think the security reason, I guess.
For authentication purpose, maybe.
Might be.
Yeah, but can we use password as well? No? Yeah.
It is not take password.
It will not take password.
No.
Can you try once?
Yeah, sure. Ask me for username. The password is putting here. It will show the support password authentication was removed. Please access the tokens.
I think maybe because password you need to change frequently, but token is
Right.
standard. Yeah, one thing. And why are you using like this? You can exchange your SSH key in a GitHub so that it won't ask you for any authentication. You can push straight away.
How can I change that key?
Yeah, you write here. I'll tell you the command. SSH hyphen. No space. No hyphen keygen. KEY.
EY
Tab. Use the tab. No.
tab.
Yeah, tab. Use the tab. No tab. Tab key.
Okay, just a minute. SSH hyphen key.
GEN. Gen.
And
Enter.
Enter, yes.
Enter. No, don't type yes. Okay, fine. You are doing something. Enter passphrase. Do Control C again.
Control C. Okay.
Okay, rm-rf, rm
RM,
space hyphen rf
RF,
slash root
root,
space, give space, no, give space, slash root slash dot ssh. Okay, enter. Okay, now we can again run the command ssh hyphen keygen. Enter. Yeah, just type enter. Enter. Enter again. That's it. Go to that path. That there is a, you can see, saved in root.ssh id rsa.pub. Cat that file. No,
This one?
not that. No, next one. One more is there. No, not that one. Yeah, that one.
this one, no?
Yeah.
This
Cat
published
that.
as
Yeah. Cat that. Cat. Get that. Copy that content.
okay.
Go to GitHub. Settings. Your settings. SSH and GPG keys. SSH and CPG keys. Yeah.
Yeah.
New SSH key. Title, give something like new EC2 instance, whatever you wish. Okay, that's for your understanding. Okay, type the key here.
Already something typing over here.
No, type.
Should
Paste it. Control V. Control V. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Add SSH key.
Okay.
That's it. Now try git push.
To the putty.
Something
Right?
commit and push it. Whatever you do.
Which command I have to put now?
Git push origin master. Whatever you want. Like you want to push, no? Enter. It's asking password again.
Yes.
It should not.
He should again connect to the link which he before to local repo to the global repo. He should do that. After that, try one more because the SSH key is pasted. It should connect. It should not ask for us. Try to one more time local repo to your internet based repo. That command you pasted before to push command.
Control C.
Just a minute.
Git config origin something is there. No? That one try.
This one?
No,
This one?
git config. Yeah. No,
Command
it's there.
already exist.
Git push origin master. Just type git push origin master. Origin master.
I'm asking
Come.
username.
Enter your password again. That whatever you have copied, no, that time. What is?
Password or token?
Token.
Don't select this much. Just select repo, git, gist, and user.
Sir, come again.
Don't select all the things. You just select the repo and gist, okay, gist and the user. Okay, next time. All these are not necessary.
Repo,
Okay.
gist, and one more thing.
User.
Okay. Should I update the token or delete the token, or should I generate again?
Okay, Git. What is the connectivity? It's through SSH. So you're using EC2 instance, right?
Right.
Okay. Update token is not necessary because you know the token, right?
Right.
Just give the token, no? Let's see.
Actually, I don't see any token over here. If you-
Okay, generate the token, no? Yes. Yeah, here type something ABC, something like the note. Okay. Generate again. Leave that, okay. Default anyhow, again we do. Next time, update token. What happened? Generate new token. Yeah, something new token. Okay, just okay.
repo,
Select gist
gist and user. Right.
and user. That's it.
Okay.
Generate token. Copy that
Okay.
and type. Keep that. It will generate only once. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now try again git push, but I don't understand why it is not working. I need to check. Okay. Try git push.
No.
Try. Oh no! I need to check why it is not happening. Because just now I was working like that, so it worked for me fine. Just a wee minute before only I configured like that. It's my live system. It is working.
Okay.
AWS problem or good problem? Hello, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So why we are not right here only password instead of token?
Actually, after showing after putting that password, they don't take that.
Why token?
I think Manjunath sir can explain that.
Can you run same command again without -u? Control C.
Can you explain username?
Without action, you.
He's showing the username, no?
No, you don't use the U. No, git push origin master.
Actually, he's demanding the username.
Yeah, because you already mentioned -u in above command.
Okay, just a minute. Stand on something over there. Right?
Remove that U.
You are
Enter. Oh no.
If we do again configure git username and email ID, then it will work.
Should I config again?
Hello.
Yeah, should I config again?
Yes, you config again.
one hyphen.
Config spelling.
Config spelling. Okay. Yeah. Git hyphen. So how to edit this? Hello.
Remote origin is already added here. not able to connect using your credentials.
Okay.
Do one thing. Now go on back directory. Okay, directory back. cd dot and go to that GitHub and take the SSH one. Go to GitHub.
Sorry.
Yeah. Go to that your repository. Where is that repository? Which one? Yeah. Here, take a code. Click on the code. And change that to SSH. First is okay. Take that. Okay. Okay. Now clone it. Git clone. Copy that.
Okay. Copy.
Yeah. Go to your command line.
Okay.
Git clone. Git space clone. Paste that link. Paste the link. And if you want RAM only, it will be RAM. Otherwise, if you want some other directory name, you can give the space directory name. Otherwise, it will clone as a RAM only. Enter. Yes. Oh, yes. Enter. Done. Now you are good to go. Now go to that RAM, CD-ROM. Yeah. Type here git status. We'll see Git is working or not. Yeah, you're good. Like something you add here. Touch ABC. Okay. Git add space dot. Git space add space dot. Yeah. Git commit -m junk file. Git push origin master. Yep.
Which one failed to
push references source. Something reference issue. Failed to push some reference to github.com. Master does not match any. We don't have a master branch.
Let me check. You're showing main. I don't know how.
Okay. Git push origin main, some origin main. I think main. Okay, now they changed master is not there. I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Git push origin main. It's working.
Yeah.
So basically, like you have two methods. Like one is HTTPS and another one is SSH. So that based on your requirement. If you are using the Linux boxes, you can use SSH method, exchange a key, public key inside the GitHub, and you can use push as much time you can. It won't ask you like credentials or something like that. If you're HTTPS, then you need to configure that HTTPS credentials in your machine, like .-git credentials, something like that. Then it will be exposed in your box, and then also you can do it. There are two methods, which is SSH and another is HTTPS. Yeah.
So basically, we are connecting local repo to the center repo, right?
Yeah. Now it is connected. It won't ask you it won't prompt you for a username and password credentials. Note, this is only applicable for this machine with the user root, because you generated the password using the root user. If you want to use a different user in this machine, again you need to generate the password in that user, and then you need to exchange in the GitHub repository. And that is the one thing. And another thing is that if your EC2 instance, you're changing the EC2 instance, then again you need to regenerate and you need to push that you need to copy that credential, like public key into GitHub, because the IP will change whenever you change the machine. Because this is, we are using, whatever you're using is public IP. It's not a public, it's a public IP, elastic IP, sorry. This elastic IP keep on changing whenever you shut down the machine, you terminating the machine, all these things. It won't be static. If having a static IP, which is elastic IP, something is there, no? Then only you can use elastic IP. Yeah, I think so. I don't remember everything. Then only it will allow you to copy from this machine to that machine.
And what is this IP 140.82.113.4? It's GitHub IP.
It is actually the private IP of the machine. So it is not the elastic IP.
No,
So you see, it's a private IP. Yeah.
it's showing
If you are
the
using the public IP here, like 54.156.221.78, it is a public IP. You can access the machine using the public IP.
No, actually, when we clone the remote repo to our local repo, at that time, this key added into the known host.
Yes.
So we want to know what is this IP address, because this IP address key is generated and that is added in the known host. Is this GitHub IP or something else?
Go to that known host, no? Like, where is that?
GitHub.
No, here only.
Because it is added only when we run the clone command.
It's a GitHub IP, actually. Known host is a GitHub IP, because this machine should know that IP of the remote one, so that next time it will not ask the question again. Just scroll up in that terminal. Just scroll up. Yeah, here where somewhere it asks, like github.com.
Yeah, this one, this one.
Yeah, that will be stored in your known host, which is there in somewhere somewhere I forgot, like your user only. The dot known host, some old file is there. It will be stored in that file. So that it is just a signature. It will store, like, I know this person. Next time I can allow this person, like github.com. That's it.
Run one command ssh github.com. Is it working without username and password?
SSH check.
Github.com.
No, you can't connect, right? It won't work. It's a web, actually. You can't do SSH github.com. So that is a known IP is there, no? Like 140.82.113.4, which is a GitHub IP that you can't connect, actually. They won't expose that IP, and they won't expose that port also, that server port, GitHub server port.
Okay.
Actually, there is a one command, git hyphen. What is the use of this command?
Yesterday somebody said, right?
Actually, it's a git commit --amendo. Means you are changing your last commit.
Okay.
You are removing your last commit.
Try, no? Git space commit space whatever he said.
Run one command git log --1 line.
One line.
Yeah. Right now you have two commits, right? One is junk file and another one is initial commit, and head is on the main. That
Yes.
is.
It
Now
is
you
on
run that.
gen file.
Yeah. Now you run that command.
Git
Git commit amend.
Git commit hyphen git
Amend.
Oh, okay. That will allow you to modify the commit. That's it.
Miss, it will throw me.
What we have committed, our last commit will get changed. it will get it will remove.
I think it will throw me to the VI editor or something, another editor, right?
Yeah, it is prompting you to edit this last commit. That's it. It
Mm-hmm.
is giving you amend. Amend means changing. That's it.
Right,
You want
right.
to change this last commit, you can change this. Junk file is there, you just change it, that junk file to junk one file or something for reference. Use DD. Use DD. Okay. Insert I. Okay. Type some ABC or something like that. Type ABC. Enter. Enter. Yeah. Escape. WQ. Enter. Yeah. Now git log. Enter. So, okay. So git amend, it won't remove your last commit. It will allow you to amend your commit. That's it. It won't delete your last commit.
Actually,
Okay.
it is a deleting as well. You just check commit ID. It will get changed.
Commit ID is same, right?
No, I think commit ID should be different.
Gitlog hyphen online. Just try
Earlier,
that.
see above, and ID git ID 0db1941. Now it's changed. It's D3D692.
So
Commit
what
ID
about
also
that?
change.
In your case, like it should not contain that file, right? Whatever you did, no? Like type ls,
Right, right. Actually, you change the history of commit.
ls,
Just a minute. LS.
ABC is there, no?
Yes.
So it is not removing the commit, right? It's just amending the commit. That's it.
Yeah, and commit ID also gets changed.
Yeah, that's fine. It's changing the commit ID and you're amending that commit, but it is not doing anything to your change, actual change. Actual change will be there.
Suppose you have 4 or 5 commits, you cannot change your third or fourth commit. You can change only last commit through this command. Commit amend.
Replacement the message of commit maybe.
And this command. Get this command actually. Where is it?
What is it command?
Git config hyphen git remote list.
Don't put git, no? Remove that git, no? Hyphen remote list, I think. Enter.
Throwing me the help.
Hyphen remote list, I think. Remote hyphen list. Something was there, no? There was option it was showing, right? Enter. It was showing remote. There is option, right? Somewhere.
Remote list unknown option.
No. Actions here, they mention
Git
actions.
config hyphen global.
Just a minute.
No.
It. I saw that command on YouTube. He was saying that we use that command to connect to server.
If a neighbor
To check of the remote directory, remote repo, then you run git branch -r.
Yes. Branch.
It will show all the branches of the
Actually, we are talking about this command.
remote list. Config remote list.
Remote and then happen.
Git config hyphen global hyphen remote list. Can you try this?
Just a minute. Git config hyphen global
remote list. Right.
Is it? Again, throw me to the help.
No, this is git config hyphen list. It will give you the configuration details. That's it.
Yeah, it's for local
Exactly.
repo, and he's trying to check remote repo.
Yeah, I'm checking for remote one.
But this command is showing for local repo.
--- global --- list. I think. Yes, it is showing.
Actually, I am looking for remote one. Actually, I don't understand the concept of that connecting two servers. That if one is in Mumbai and another is in North Virginia, so we have to put this command. And when I saw that video, I run that command, but that time also it doesn't run.
What it will do? This command.
It connects the two remote servers, I guess.
Actually, we have two options. One is suppose you don't have any directory and you have but you have the remote repo. You are a new developer and you just clone repo from remote repository, right? You just run git clone URL of that repo. It will clone whatever data is available at the remote repo. It clone all the data. One thing is that. Another one is when you initiate your git, like you create one directory ABC, and then you go into the directory and then you run the command git init. You will initiate git and create one .git folder inside your working directory. Right now you want to connect. You write some code, and now you want to push that code to your remote repo. You are pushing first time. So for that you need to add remote repo to your local repo, what you did earlier today. Same thing. Once your remote repo is added into your local repo .git folder, then you can push your code to remote repo. So what is the requirement of this command? I didn't understand.
Okay, I have also some doubt, Ajinkya. If you are over with this, do you have any other thing? Like I also
No.
show the screen and
Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, so basically means I have doubts in branching, like in local repo and remote repo. So may I present my screen? Okay, so yeah, so basically, sir, my doubt is if I have one extra or two extra branches in my GitHub, and I want to pull all of the branches here in my local repo, or the first case is this, or if I want to delete, so in sync. So is there any command, or do I have to manually one branch, two branch, third branch?
Add git branch space -a.
Sorry, add
Git branch space -a.
Add
No, not add. Git branch space -a.
Git branch space -a.
Yeah, git space branch space -a.
Okay.
Enter.
No, this will just show, but I want to add.
Git fetch.
Git pull.
Git
Fetch,
pull will
fetch.
no pull will do.
Pull actually is the combination of git fetch plus git merge.
Right.
So you want to add those details in your local repo. So
Yes,
that you can run git pull.
So should I run it with -a? Will do all the branches, or just pull.
Git pull now.
But git pull will do, I think, just one branch. Let's see.
No, you can see git branch. Git branch. Check now. Git branch.
Okay.
Branch.
Uh, okay.
Only three. That only, right? Main, new one, new two.
No,
That
see,
only.
there are basically 5 branches. 11_5 main, new one, new two, and in my GitHub, basically, let's see. So main, new one, new 3. 3 is extra, which is not present in my local.
Is it empty?
Yeah, it is empty.
Just create one file.
Okay, let's
In this empty folder.
new
Then
4.
do pull.
Yeah, new 3, new 4 are already empty. Okay, let's new 4, and I will just add file. Okay. Okay. Okay, so a new 4, if I again pull, so like, do I have to come on main branch for this?
It's showing one message. Git branch -set upstream to original. Git
See.
pull origin.
Okay. Should I go with this? Should I?
Run one command, git pull origin master.
But that will work on main branch. I think master will not. Okay. Main.
See, Yash, actually, what I want to tell is like if you don't enter git fetch and git branch A, you are not allowed to check out to the branch present in the GitHub. Whereas if you run git branch -a, it will come to know that okay, these are the branches available in the GitHub, so you can check out that branch, okay, and then you can do whatever you want. Okay, but it will not show you in git branch command. But however, you can go into that branch and you can do the change. So if you want, what you do is like again reclone the repository somewhere with some branch and then try again. You'll come to know. Otherwise, create a branch in GitHub, okay, and start away in GitHub UI, and then try first just typing that branch, git check out the branch. It won't work, and then again what you do is like type git branch -a and then type git checkout that remote branch. It will work, and then you can do whatever you want. That's how actually it works. Once you do some operations inside the branch, then the branch will be visible in the local repository. Until that, it won't show you the branch. So for confirmation, you just create a branch in GitHub and then type here git branch. You can't see the branch here, but whereas if you type git branch -a, then you can able to see the branch in a GitHub, and then you can check out the branch and you can do the changes.
Yeah, okay. And I understood, Manju sir, you are telling like if there is some branch on the remote repository and I just have to create that branch name into my local repository. So I will just type the command git checkout.
No need to create. Just check out.
Yeah, it will
Create
work.
is
Yes, it works. I have done it practically today, but like I just wanted to see the operation of this. Like I have not any branch on this, and I have just created the branch on the remote repository. And if I want here So with another name or like that. Okay. Let's see.
Git pull -- all. Did you try?
Enter it to go to new 3. It's not there also to go to new 3. See, you can switch to that branch.
Yeah, it will. Yeah, it works actually in new 3.
Okay. See, what next time what you can do is like try creating one branch in GitHub. Just type git
Check out.
check out the branch. It won't work. Okay, index will not be there in a GitHub. It won't know like new branch is created in a GitHub because in a local machine,
Okay.
it won't have an index to that one. When you type git branch -a, then only it will create an index in your local machine so that you can enter into that branch like that.
Okay, so means I have to create that branch locally by git checkout command first. Then it will show. Is it?
No, git checkout won't create a branch. See, now you can able to enter to any of these branches like new 4 and all. Do one thing. Now only this much is there. You go to GitHub.
Okay.
Create one new 5 branch. Branch new 5.
Okay.
Type new 5. New 5.
New 5. Okay.
Create a branch. Okay, that's it. Now branch exists here, right? Don't enter GitHub git branch -a. Okay, go to command line. Don't enter here. No, don't.
Okay.
Type the. Okay. Now you try git branch, git checkout, new 5. Git checkout new 5. See, it doesn't know the new branch you created. Now you type git branch -a. It will create an index to the branch, new branch. Now try git fetch. Sorry, git fetch again. Git fetch. Now try git branch is available. So new 5, you can able to go into that. So basically git fetch actually. Git fetch, you need to run the git fetch to locally create an index to that new branch created inside GitHub. So now you can go to that new 5 branch and you can do whatever you want. Git checkout is just.
Okay, but new 5 is not created locally, I think.
Git checkout new 5.
Okay.
New 5. See, you can enter now.
Okay,
it
now
It was not working before git fetch, right?
Yeah, git fetch, it was not there. So like if I here write git branch, then it will show me new 5.
Yeah. Okay. So without doing any operations, it won't show you the branch. But if you type git fetch, it will pull all the branches.
Okay.
In the local index.
Understood. So git fetch will create the index. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, understood, Manju sir. So like this is the creation part, and now my second doubt was about the deletion. So like if I delete one branch in local repository, so how will it reflect in that GitHub? Means is there any command, something like that, so that means if I delete here, right? I delete here new 5.
Okay.
I cannot delete. All right.
You are already in a branch, no?
I have to go on.
Delete new 3 or new 4 or something like that.
Yeah, just. Behind. Okay. So git. Let's see. Branch. All right. So git branch -d. 5. Yeah. So my local branch is deleted, right?
Okay.
So, but in this GitHub, it still exists.
Okay. Try git push origin master or something like git fetch or something like that. I never tried this. Git fetch, enter.
No.
Now try in see whether it's there or not.
It didn't show any message. I don't
git
think
sync. I think something is there. Maybe
new 5 is still there, right? So new 5 is there. It
Is
went.
there?
So, like, how will I delete it there? Means I can delete it,
Just
of
push,
course.
just try git push some just git push origin master. Push origin main, right?
Yeah, but this will like
Origin main. Enter.
this will. I think this means this will work for just main branch, or like it will work for every other branch.
It should work.
Fail to push.
Let me check command.
Current branch is behind. Yeah, it means it is asking.
Git remote update origin.
Git remote.
Update origin.
It. Okay.
Try now.
It will show, right? It is still there.
Hyphen prune. Origin hyphen prune.
Prune. All right.
Try now.
Still there.
No, I'm not sure even how it works.
Yeah. All right. So and like this is means this is the original part, and like if we delete there in GitHub, and like here it is how is going to replicate. Like fetch will do the thing.
Yes, fetch will do.
Okay, let's try then. Let's create new 6. All right. So okay. So यार क्या हुआ है? Why?
Can you see me, Natalie?
So okay, git fetch. So
oh, okay. I think you can do like this. Git push origin hyphen delete the branch name.
Git push.
Sorry, git origin. Push origin. Sorry, push origin. Git push origin. Hyphen delete.
Full delete.
Delete hyphen delete space branch name new 5.
Okay.
So you're asking for a credential. Why?
Let's see.
You're not exchanging the password, huh?
Deleted.
Okay, see the remote.
Yeah. It worked.
GitHub.
I think. Okay. Let's see here.
See the GitHub branch, no?
New 5. Yeah, it's not there.
Yeah. Okay. This is how you need to delete.
This one command. Where is it? Git
push origin hyphen delete new 5.
Okay. This one is the command. All right. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I have one question. Sir, we cannot delete any data in real time, na?
I am not getting like what is your question actually.
When we actually running on in any company, we cannot delete any data, na?
Yeah.
Basically, should not.
Yes.
Then sorry for that, but we do the practice on it. I have question.
This git push origin hyphen delete new 5. No, this is for feature branches. It's not for the main branches. If you are creating like some main branches, so nobody will touch those branches. So you need to keep a branch protection for that main branches. So you are in the GitHub. There is a lot of options. You can configure the branch protection. where you can't delete that branches. Whereas for the feature branch, like you are writing some code, and you are pushing that code to the new GitHub and merging into some main branch, and later you don't want to keep the branch. Okay, feature branch is done. So because a lot of up to date will happen with another people, so you don't want to keep your feature branch. In that case, you have to delete as a cleanup process. If the developers are leaving some spaces for long time, so we can run this command git push origin --- delete by checking the branches how old it is. You can do that also. So such kind of operations you can do, and basically like we can facilitate the developer. They don't want to go and run this command again and again, git push origin --- delete, all these things. Basically this will work for the administrators in a GitHub. So in real time, developers will not be having the facility to do all these things. In that time, we can have a script for that, and from that script we can add this command, and the developers can use this in a script. They can pass the branches and they can delete it. So this is how some automation kind of thing you can use it. Basically you need this actually. Just I checked from my script only, I did long back, so I'm using this. So it's a cleanup task. Otherwise, you're having one repository around 10 or 20 or 30, some or 30 versions are there, your software. And developers keep on writing the feature branches. And that also adds, if the developers are not cleaning that feature branches for a long time, then your repository is flood up of branches, like it may be around 1,000 or 5,000 branches. Then nobody... it's very difficult for other developers to understand. That's the only thing that the process. Yeah.
So Manju sir, is it like logged also? Like we can know who deleted that branch and at what time or date? Are there any logs for it?
Yeah, everything is available in GitHub.
So if you know, like, can you please let us know here where we can see exactly about that? Means if you know.
So basically, I used to work on commands only.
All right.
So I need to see the commands basically. That sometimes whenever I need that time only I explore. Okay. This won't happen because I added branch protection for the branches, so developers are not authorized to delete any of the main branches.
Sure.
Yeah. Go to that branch, I can show you branches.
It is deleted already. So how?
No, I mean like go to that one branch, any branch.
Okay.
And go to settings, branch, and settings. Go to settings here. Settings. Top. Yeah. Click on settings.
Okay.
Here there is a branches. Click on branches. So here branch protection rules. This is must, so that you can safeguard your branches.
Okay.
So basically, we configure for every branches, main branches. So here rules apply to everyone, including administrators. Here you can configure many things.
Here I think deletion is there, right? So
yeah. So this is rules apply to everyone, including administrators. So here, and you can include administrators. These are the things you just need to read and configure accordingly. So it's a real-time scenario. You need to configure it.
All right. Yeah, understood. So like Manju sir, this was the first part basically. And if we do it reverse, like we have a branch in local and remote both, but we deleted it in local, and we also reverse actually. We deleted it in GitHub.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the same branch in local also. Then we need to we need to know first, like what are the differences in the branches. Like,
if you are it's a branch, then no need to worry, because from checkout, the last checkout, you can restore the branch. If it is a repository, then it's bit difficult. You have to push again if anybody having an updated one. That's why Only branch means like you can restore from the any of the commits respective branch. So every branch is having some commits, latest commit. Based on that, you can restore.
Okay, so accidentally, like if we have deleted, so we can restore that branch from.
I'll tell you in my scenario like how it works. Like
Mhm.
it was long back. I was migrated ClearCase to GitHub. So that time we were not added all this branch production, all these things. So we were just using it. And what I did was like I delivered some code to my main product. So some build fixes and all. I instead of merging my feature branch to the main branch, I merged to the that master branch. Okay, I merged to the master branch, which is not the in real time scenario. We should not merge to master. So and something I delivered to master and I merged to the something like that happened, and my main branch completely spoiled. Main means like some version v53 something like that. It completely spoiled. So we need to restore that branch. So then what we did is like again I checked out for that good commit ID and then I restored it. So this kind of just you need to that comes when you start working.
Okay. So just a quick, actually, I have means one more doubt, just a small doubt. There are two servers, right? Here there is, and here it is second one. So I want to connect them through SSH and through key, right? So it
Yeah.
is giving me permission denied error. So I am not getting like.
I said no that the same like generate the SSH keygen, copy
Yeah,
the public
I
key to the
I
remote
I have
machine.
I have already done all the steps. I just want to show, like,
Yeah, do show me.
yeah. So
I can
see,
spend maximum 5 more minutes.
yeah, sure, it will be done for your expertise.
LL,
So yeah,
L,
so see here it is. I have generated SSH keys in this server, and these are the SSH keys. You can just
copy
verify
that.
17. Yeah, I have
Copy
already
that.
copied that and put into the authorized keys of this server. SSH
LL.
LL. All right.
That's okay. 644. Okay.
So
Cat authorized keys.
yeah, that one was okay.
It's correct only, no? Both the set.
Yeah, see 172.31.766, and this is 172.31.766. You can see, and also AAA B3N, and here you can see
At the end, it is internalizer. Why you put P also at the end?
here and here.
The key. See.
I think okay. Let's see. Yeah. This was accidentally put, I think. Okay, so
Try
should
now.
I run? Could not resolve. Just a minute.
IP is
Oh, yeah. 162.16. Just a minute. SSH EC2 user at the rate of. Permission denied.
so basically you copy the public key to 162, right?
Right.
Here LL. Here in this LL. Public key. Okay. Go that.
All right. Let's see.
LL. Go back one directory. CD dot dot.
Sorry, which directory?
One back directory. CD dot dot.
Okay.
LL. LL-AL. Dot SSH. Okay. 6 CHMOD. 600.
Just a minute. chmod 602 and dot ssh. Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
LL. LS-L.
Let's say fun here. It's
Try now.
read write execution. It worked. I means.
Try now.
Okay. Let's see.
Public key, GPG key, mic. Just the permission thing. You need to check. Like basically, we need to give 600 to the directory .ssh.
Yeah, I already gave right 600 to SSH directory.
-R. Give -R.
Here, I mean, in
change mode -R.
Okay. chmod. chmod 600 -R. Is it?
No. So.
So
read write execute permission is needed. Okay.
That is 700, I think. Let's see.
700 to .ssh. Enter.
Okay. ls-l. So still.
And go to cd.ssh. LL. Here, authorized keys, everything is perfect.
Let's give this 700 to authorized key.
No, don't give 700. It's correct, 600 only. Authorized keys. That remote machine, see what is there? 171.13.84.
30.
Take the one, IP is like 172.31.13.84, right?
This private IP?
Take that IP, no?
I think. Okay, let's see.
Enter. Here, check the permissions.
No. Just a minute. I think.
Enter. Here it is not connecting. You have a private key. You are trying to connect with the public key.
Is it like for security or something like we have to open port or something like that?
No, not needed. So did you enable the port? Okay, any of you are accessing, right?
Yeah. I mean, ports are already enabled, I think, guys.
22 port is enabled.
Yeah. See, 22 is port is open. Yeah.
In the security groups.
Yeah, it's open. It's just listening, right?
Oh yeah, it's listening.
So let's.
That's it. Actually, maybe some permissions you need to see. Just delete that completely. .ssh again. Create no. Go remove that.
Means what I have to. Means key again.
Yeah.
Key.
No, remove that .ssh directory fully in both the machines.
Okay.
Go back. RMF and RF.ssh. Okay. SSH keygen. Generate now SSH keygen. Enter. Simply enter. Okay, fine. Go to other machine where you want to access the machine. Okay.
Right here.
Here also remove that .ssh. Okay, run SSH keygen only. It's fine. No, don't create. Run SSH keygen.
Huh?
No, it's okay, fine. Keygen only. Generate the keygen.
No, I mean on server like I have already.
Okay, what happens is like it will create a proper directory structure. Okay, so no need to use that keys. Okay, just keys will be present. You're not using it.
So you just want to see.
Enter. Now, if you want, you can remove that inside content. Okay, .ssh.
Okay.
.ssh. cd.ssh.
So what I have to do now?
cd.ssh. If you don't want, you can remove all the content. Otherwise, leave it. vi.authorized keys. Copy that authorized keys.
Authorized underscore, or it is, I think,
Underscore keys.
is all right. Copy this and
Beginning, there is a wrong actually. SSH you need to put. SSH or SH? Just check once.
it's SSH.
Okay. Save.
All right.
Okay. Check LL. Type before that. Type the permission for authorized keys. Give permission like 600 to authorized keys. Yeah, okay. Now try accessing from other box with the private IP.
Okay. SSH EC2 user the rate of.
Just type the IP, no SSH IP. That's it.
Okay, SSH IP. I don't have to give the username.
No, because same user, right? Yes.
See.
List of known.
That's the same error. All right. So means I have done all the things, but still, means I also done the same steps, but it is showing the same thing. I don't know why. I tried different servers.
Using sudo.
Sudo what?
Root user. Do you try root user?
Root user.
Sudo SSH. He is telling sudo SSH.
Okay.
No. I mean like the same command SSH with sudo user. SSH sudo space SSH.
Okay. No, it will not work. See, this is not about sudo.
Permission denied. Public key.
Did you change SSH deconfiguration? Where it asks,
which
password, cat etc ssh dot
cat etc
ssh.
It's not etc no directory is SSH. Okay, I am already in SSH actually. So which
it should be in etc.
etc, all right. SSH.
Where you need to change password authentication to yes if it is no.
Which file?
SSHD underscore config.
Underscore pub. This one?
Underscore config. Second one.
All right. This. Okay.
BI. Check authentication.
Public key authentication?
Change it to yes.
This one?
Yes.
All right.
Is there any other one?
No, I think this is
authentication.
The one. Authentication is one only. Public key. Yeah. All right. Let's see once again. Here it is no.
Yeah, password authentication change no to yes.
But it will ask for okay. Just it.
Right. It should be.
Okay. Now it will ask for password, I think, right?
Right.
So, but I don't know the root user password. All right. Let's see.
Sudo -i.
Sudo -i. EC2.
Enter. Enter. Now do SSH.
All right. SSH. Private one, right?
Yeah, either private or public. You can check. SSH username, then
I,
IP.
I think we have done the setting on this, and I think we have to do the setting on other server, like which we are accessing, right?
Yeah, we need to change on both.
We need to change on what. So right, just a minute. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. What is this? What was the file? SSHD directory or SSH simple? All right.
One more change, password authentication. Change to yes. Public. We have done 2 changes, no?
Yes, public key authentication. This one was that. It is already yes in this. So yeah, where is it? Password authentication. Yes. This one, right? I have to do another thing also. I did public authentication to yes.
Yes.
So
2
it is
changes. One is public, another one is password authentication to yes.
already yes, I think.
Yeah, both are right.
So okay.
Save and try again.
Back to it, right? So should I run that now?
Ice cream. Oh, ice cream.
It's not working. I think he's like. All right. I think now the time is also above 10:30. People might want to go. Of course, so we can see this. Oh, yes, sure. We can just leave now. It is already late. Thanks. Yeah, thanks.